Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone alarm that is not working, not ringing, or is too quiet. There are a few different things that can cause this, so we'll go through the most useful fixes one by one. First, completely close the clock app on your iPhone. Next, open the Settings app and tap Bluetooth. If your iPhone is connected to headphones, speakers, or another Bluetooth device, turn Bluetooth off temporarily and test the alarm again. This helps rule out any audio connection problems. Next, go back to Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Under Ringtone and Alerts, increase the volume using the slider. Keep in mind that this is different from the media volume you control from Control Center. The ringtone and alerts volume is what affects sounds such as your ringtone and alarms. Now open the clock app again and go to the alarm section. If the alarm that is giving you problems is already there, swipe left on it and delete it. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new alarm. Choose the time you want, then tap Sound. Make sure a ringtone or alarm sound is selected and that it is not set to none. You can also try disabling snooze temporarily to see if that makes any difference. Save the alarm and test it again. If the alarm still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your iPhone software. Open Settings, tap General, and then tap Software Update. If an iOS update is available, install it, and then test the alarm again. Software updates can sometimes fix bugs that affect the clock app or alarm notifications. If the problem continues, you can try resetting your iPhone settings. Go to Settings, then General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. Your iPhone may ask for your passcode. This option resets system settings without deleting your personal photos, videos, apps, or other personal data, although some settings and saved items may need to be configured again afterward. After your iPhone restarts, create another alarm and test it. Finally, if the alarm is still not working, try a force restart. On an iPhone with Face ID, quickly press and release volume up, then quickly press and release volume down, and then press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release it. Your iPhone will restart without deleting your data. Once it turns back on, open the clock app and test your alarm again. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to fix an iPhone alarm that isn't ringing, isn't working, or is too quiet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.